Welcome to OnRobot's Screwdriving Application Guide. Screwdriving applications tighten or loosen screws, bolts and nuts for the assembly or disassembly of products. In this guide, we will go over the best practices, considerations and main technical details needed to successfully deploy the application. The Screwdriving Application Guide is divided into simple, short and direct videos that cover the general overview and specifications of a screwdriving application, the OnRobot screwdriving system, best practices for picking up screws, how to successfully tighten the screws, and finally, an overview on how to structure the complete program. You can watch the complete video series in order or be free to jump directly to the topic that interests you. Let's get started.